Hello everyone and welcome to a quick unboxing at Gadgets 360. Today we are going to go ahead and unbox the Vivo Y17. Now the box is pretty basic, but it does highlight few of the specifications on the smartphone. So the device that we have here has 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, and it has a 5000 mAh battery, which is pretty evident with the cover itself. At the back, it does mention AI triple rear camera, a 20 megapixel front camera, and dual engine fast charging. So it does have fast charging support. So without waiting any further, let's go ahead and unbox this device. Now this is what you get in the box. A couple of documentation, a case that is provided in the box, so you won't have to go ahead and search for one. I'm going to keep that away. This is the smartphone, the Vivo Y17. Quickly get it off the basic packaging, and we've powered it on. It's got a beautiful blue finish at the back. Let's go ahead and check further what else do you get in the box. This is a charger, which I think Vivo calls it as dual engine fast charging, and it does have support for 9 volts and 2 amps, so it is an 18 watt charger, so it is capable of fast charging. And you get a micro USB cable in the box, which means that the Vivo Y17 has got a micro USB port at the bottom, and it also gets a pair of headphones in the box, so you won't have to buy a new one. So let's keep everything aside and take a closer look at the device. And this is what the Vivo Y17 looks like, and we've got it in a beautiful mineral blue color. Now let's talk about specifications. This smartphone is powered by the MediaTek Helio P35 SoC. Now this is a new SoC that was being launched some time ago. It's not there in a lot of smartphones. It has 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, a 5000 mAh battery, and as you can see, this runs FunTouch OS 9. Now this is based on top of Android 9 Pie, which is a really good thing. The device has got a 6.35 inch HD Plus display. It's got a rear mounted fingerprint scanner. There's face unlock as well, which uses the selfie camera that's positioned inside this water drop notch. For those curious, this has a 20 megapixel selfie camera, and that is used for face unlock. So it has a triple camera setup at the back, which consists of a 13 megapixel primary sensor with an f2.2 aperture, an 8 megapixel secondary sensor with an f2.2 aperture as well, and a depth sensor, which is a 2 megapixel sensor with an f2.4 aperture. There's also a single LED flash right underneath the module. So after it's booted up, this is what the interface looks like. Like I've said before, this does run on FunTouch OS 9, which is based on top of Android 9 Pie. The phone does weigh about 190 grams, and it is slightly heavy because it has a 5000 mAh battery. You don't get an app drawer. Instead, all the apps are available on the phone itself. Now before we go for the price, let's quickly check the slot on the smartphone. As you can see, it's got 3 slots, so you have got 2 nano SIM slots and a dedicated micro SD card slot, which means that you will be able to expand storage further without compromising on a SIM slot. And now coming to the price. The Vivo Y17 is priced at 17,990 rupees for the sole 4 GB RAM 128 GB storage variant. And that was a quick unboxing and our first look at the Vivo Y17. So what do you guys think about this device? Let us know in the comment section down below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to gadgets360.com.